What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jocks. Guys, we're absolutely killing it. Every day I remind you guys, the fear, this is the greatest time to buy. This is the greatest time to dollar cost average into your trades. And now we are reaping those rewards, guys. We're up over 20% on our trade for FTM, Fantom. This coin and Matic are my two favorite coins to trade right now. We've been just crushing it, guys. So we're sitting at 298. We're up 21% on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 7.44 billion. 24-hour volume, 2.24 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. I love crypto. I get so excited. Guys. We're making incredible money on this channel with our dollar cost average strategy. None of this is financial advice. It's always just for reference. Let me quickly turn up my screen brightness. All right, let's get into it, guys. We're here on the 1 hour chart. Our first entry was 268. Our second entry was 232. Brought our average price down to 250. So currently you are up on your trade. I will throw my trade up on the screen. You are up, wow, basically about 20%, 20% for our friend Fantom. So I've taken half my position, sold half my position at 297 here, and I'll let the rest ride, because of course Fantom is extremely strong. However, guys, we are quite overbought on the hourly, as well as we have bearish divergences on the 1 hour as well as on the money flow. But Fantom does like to pump. Look at this, guys. Pump, overbought. We kept pumping. That's why I always sell half my position. And then if it comes down to my entry, you can see my first entry is now flipped as a buy zone. I'll lock in the rest of those profits and re-enter my trade. And in many cases, I'll reinvest those profits into my buy zone. So I'm increasing my buy zone, which is increasing my profits, guys. Wow, look at Gala. Gala's up a lot today too, 12%. This one, I don't know why this one says 16, but it's false. But we're trading Gala too. All right, guys, so we've come up to our resistance zone at 297. Let's pop over to the 4 hour time frame. So you can see here on the 4 hour as well, we are trending towards overbought, and that is usually when you'll hit some resistance, and either we're going to see some consolidation or we see a move back down. We do have to watch for a double top. You can see we created a top, we've come up, we created a second top, just as we did right here. We created a top, we created a second top. It is a bearish pattern, guys, but if we break this level of resistance, we can see continuation up to our next take profit zone, 346. Now, I don't take profits after I close at 50%. If it keeps going, my buy zones are moving up with the price, so I let it come back down to my buy zone. I lock in the rest of those profits, and then I re-enter my trade, or I leave the money in the trade and then I just add the amount. Let's say I have 500 per buy zone. If I have money still in my trade, then I'll just add whatever I need to get me back to 500, and then I'll set my buy zones again, 500, 500, 500. Hope that makes sense, guys. If you want early access to these charts, sign up to the Discord. Many projects updated regularly for our DCA charts, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto. Price of a coffee, you really can't beat it. All right. So let's pop over to the daily time frame. So we can see here on the daily, I talked about yesterday, we were having the bearish cross, but it looks like we're going to invalidate it on the MACD. If we can push up higher here, we can invalidate the bearish cross, which would be extremely bullish for our friend Fantom. We have resistance here at 294, the 1.618, and just watch for that double top. We perfectly bounced off the daily EMAs. I said, guys, I think it's likely that we retrace back to the daily EMAs and see a bounce, and that is absolutely exactly what has happened here for our friend FTM. If we come over to this chart here, I talked about us getting rejected by our ascending resistance. We came back down to the EMAs and we pushed back up. I talked about the money flow being close to the bottom section, and that's when you're usually going to see a move back up, and that's exactly what has happened here. So just watch this resistance at the 1.618. If we do break through it, guys, I would watch this ascending resistance from our ascending channel coming in at 345. If we break through that, we throw back up into this channel, that's extremely bullish for our friend Fantom as well. Extremely exciting times in the market, in my opinion. We have our bull run targets 592. But I think Fantom will easily reach $10 on this bull run. I mean, look at Bitcoin, guys. We're all the way down at 43K. We saw our spring that I've been covering in our Matic videos. I said we should see the spring pretty soon, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. We're seeing our spring, guys. So everything as of right now is playing out to a T. We'll get into Bitcoin in my Matic video of course, guys. So our bull run targets 592, but we see Bitcoin go to 150k. I don't see Fantom having any problems reaching $10 within 2022. I do think Fantom will reach $10 this year. That's just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. Anything can happen, but that is my bull run target for FTM. All right, guys, so our buy zones have been updated. This entry here will now be our buy zone at 268, 232, 191, 157, 136, 115. I have one all the way down at 59 cents as well, guys. Take profit zones 297, 346, 382, 464. It's just for reference, guys. It's not financial advice. Just remember that, all right? And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. As a spot trader, you use equal amounts to each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time. If you're leverage trading, you have to double your margin. Don't recommend more than 2 to 3x. Trade at your own risk. Spot trading is a no-fail strategy. So that's it for FTM. One more shout out to the Discord, guys. Price of a coffee. You really can't beat it. I just posted all my profits from all my trades here. They're posting chart patterns. 350 USD. Sign up through the Patreon. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.